Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we're going to be doing a cabin air filter in a 2018 Honda Civic. If you guys do want to pick up the filters, there is a link in the description down below. You guys can go pick those up on Amazon. They're super cheap. This is a really quick, easy project. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so to do your cabin air filter, just like most cars is behind your glove box, this one's quite a bit different. So what we're gonna have to do is on either side, there's these two little plastic walls. You're gonna have to push them in towards like the middle, and then it'll pop two little pins out, and then the whole thing can swing down even further. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Just push in, and it swings right down. All right, so once you have your glove box kind of swung down, right up here is where the filter housing is gonna be. You can even see where it says airflow right there, and it has the arrows pointing down. So it's gonna be this little honeycomb grid. All right, so there's gonna be a little tab, or like right here, you're gonna kind of push towards the middle, and then it's gonna lift that out a little bit, and then you can kind of pop it right off from there. And here's a closer shot of like that little tab that you're gonna be pushing in on. And then right there is your cabin air filter, so just slide it straight out. And yeah, it can get pretty dirty. You got leaves, feathers in there. But let's go ahead and take the new one. Like I said, look for the airflow pointing down. So you definitely want to make sure you have that in correctly. All right, so make sure you don't put it in sideways. There we go. So now it can just slide right into place before you put that cover back on. And then we're gonna go ahead and push this back up, and you can see where there's like a little slot right here where this allows this to flex. So that'll just kind of push in on it on each side, and then it'll pop right back into place, and just like that, you're done. All right, if this video helped you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, there's gonna be a link in the description down below so you can pick up the regular filter as well as the K&N filter. It's a washable, reusable filters, but it's quite a little bit more expensive, but it will last you pretty much the life of your car. Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.